Hello and welcome to Car DIY. Today we're going to do a quick video on changing the tie rod end on a Toyota T27, and it's a quick and simple job. Ray's going to do the job, and the first thing we need to do is we need to jack it up, take off the wheel and secure the vehicle with jack stands, etc. Let's get it done. Take a wire brush and clean the tie rod end here and here. Take a marker or some paint and mark the lock nut and mark on the tie rod bar the position of the nut. The next thing we need to do is we need to measure from, show them there where we need to measure. We need to take 2 fixed points from there and to there, to the edge of the tie rod, to tie rod end. So we measure from there to there. And what is the millimeters on that?
This is 68 millimeters.
68 millimeters. So we'll go and we'll snap open now the lock nut, and when we snap open the lock nut we're going to tighten it back just a little snug. Then you get a lump hammer and a 22 spanner and crack it open. That's it, cracked open now. And then you want to put it back snug in. Just use the spanner to snug it up. No, to the left. You want to snug it tight into this. Okay.
I just want to make sure it's open.
Yeah. There we go. The next thing is we're going to take out the cotter pin now. In this case the cotter pin was stuck, so we're going to forcefully remove it with the impact wrench. Like so. Now we have 2 ways of taking this out from its housing, and one, we can use the lump hammer and give it a good few cracks there, or we can use this piece here. So we'll just try the lump hammer first of all and give it a few good wallops. Very noisy. We'll come back when now, as we remove the tie rod end, we're going to count how many turns there is it takes to take it off. So off we go then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 and a half. Just going to do the same thing in reverse, and it's 20 and a half turns as we did in the last piece. So we'll just do that. I won't film that. We'll just show you, and we're going to be checking with the tape as well, so, and the mark that's on the bolt. Okay, so he got the part back in, and now he's going to put the nut on it and seat that in with the impact gun. So that'll be the next thing you do here quickly. Now the next step is he put it into its house. Now he's going to just see it with the impact gun, just tighten it up. Now we're going to do measurement on the inside fixed points to see it in the exact position that we are at the beginning.
$68 millimeter.
68, spot on. Now we need to tighten the nut now. We need to tighten this nut here and get it really nice and tight. Okay, so when it's tightened up, stick in the cotter pin. And then spread it around. Perfect job. That's it. Simple as that. Then put your tyre back on and a happy motoring. Simple job. Please thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, enjoy the video. And here we have the culprit here. Have a look at this. You can see the way that moves there now. You can see, look, you can actually see into the ball joint in there, and it's in a terrible state. It's shot. Last thing I want to say is, when you're finished your job, go and get the car re-lined, get it tracked properly in a garage that does them things. Absolutely important for your own safety. And hope this video is of help. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and give it a thumbs up.